Hello, my name is Paul. Today I'll be removing and installing Invisalign retainers. And first, there are some bumpers that are installed to make the retainers clip in place, and they keep the retainers in line as well. That way the teeth will shift in the right direction. So this is my second pair. I didn't have a first video set up. So I'll be removing the bottom ones for right now. People have different ways of removing them, so I'm not sure what the easiest way is, but I found this to be the easiest way. It's not so easy, but you just have to mess around with it. But you have to be careful to not remove the bumpers on the teeth, because they will come off. Even while eating, they'll come off. But let's see if you can see the bumpers. I'm not sure if you could have seen them, but they're on the teeth. And let's try to take off these top ones. There you go. Sometimes it's easy, sometimes it's hard. This is a top retainer. You can see where my tooth is out of line right here. I got a lot of crowded teeth, so the dentist had to grind my teeth so that way all my teeth can shift. And I'll be putting these back on now. Start with the bottom. It's easy. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. And I'll be putting the top ones on. These are kind of hard since my teeth are so out of line. There you go. That was kind of rough, but it'll get there somehow. And they give you a munchie. That way you can press down on your teeth. And we'll press down on the retainers. Make them fit better. There you go. Hopefully that helped out a little bit, but like I said, sometimes it's hard and sometimes it goes good. Like I said before, the bumpers will fall off while eating sometimes, or while putting on the retainers. And hopefully they don't come off no more. I've had them come off probably about 2 or 3 times already. But hopefully this video will help. I'll be posting other videos soon, probably 3 months from now, to see the progress of my teeth. I'll get back with you then. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.